Dad's got the day off and it's sunny outside and it's perfect. And I got a rock right in front of me. My favorite one. I'm gonna take it inside when you're not looking, Dad. Ah, fuck, he got me. Yeah, I'm just working on my tan. Hey. Don't take my rock, Dad. That's mine. What? That one? Here he comes to get his rock and fuck up my patio. Oh yeah. There we go. Give it a flip. Quick flip. I'll find another one right now, Dad. Hold on. Yeah, this is a good one. Nice and flat. I can pick it up easy. Oh, perfect. I'm gonna drop it right on your patio. Watch this. Ready? Oh, never mind. Oh no, back on. Here we go. He's doing video with me. See you, Dad. Taking it where I want to go. I'm a lion plant. Alright, I gotta take a picture real quick. Boy, I tell you, summer better be over pretty soon. It's too hot for me. I'm a dark doggy. I'm a bear. I need to hibernate for the winter. I'm retarded. Watch this. Here it is. No, that one's not good enough. I'm gonna find a bigger one. Yeah, Dad, I'm gonna find a real big one. First, I gotta get a drink.